is strong. Jesus, you've been my peace all along. No wave too high, no night too dark. Your hand has held my fragile heart. You speak and all the chaos fades. Your love has never walked away. You calm the storm, you make me still. Your voice can break